Well, today we're going to let Miss Mojo show you how to cook this, which won her this and made her a world champion before Mr. Mojo. So let's turn it over to her and let her get to cooking it. Head down to your local chicken store and pick you up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Then look down here below this video and hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment. Let Miss Mojo how much you appreciate her stopping by and giving you this world championship winning chicken recipe. You get that done, get the chicken back out and trim it up. All you want to do is just get off any of the fat. We don't need it. Then we're just going to cover it saran wrap and just beat the crap out of it. Just let it all out. All your anger, just let her out. Till it looks something like this. Get that done, season it up. Get your favorite barbecue rub. We just happen to use MOJO Barbecue, and it's a proven winner. Hit both sides good. Roll her up. Stick her in a pan with all your other pieces. Let this dry brine for about 2 hours. And once that 2 hours is up, we're going to finish it up to get it on the grill. And what you're going to need for that is some bacon, a half pound of pepper jack cheese grated. We're using this jalapeno cream cheese, or you can use regular if you're scared. 2 links of crawfish boudin, and some Tony Chachere's. To get that ready, all you want to do, throw that boudin on the smoker just to get it a little warm. Get those innards out in the bowl. Add everything else in besides the bacon. Put in, we're going to use probably about a tablespoon to start off with. Get in there elbow deep. Give her a good mix and a taste and realize, well, maybe another half a tablespoon would be even better. A good looking sous chef comes in, gives her chicken, and she's going to show you how to roll these things up. Get you a nice little handful, she's got little hands, boudin mixture, and roll it into a log. Stick it in your chicken and roll it up. That's about as complicated as it gets. I really can't just roll it up. Let's do it again in case you missed it. Boudin, log, chicken, roll. Pretty much it. Here comes the sous chef again. He says, look, I greased you up a rack so you can put your chicken on it. She says, you know I'm right-handed, so why didn't you put it over here? And I said, well, okay, I'm just going to go back over here where I don't get in trouble. Take your bacon and wrap it around the chicken. And what you want to do, you want both of the ends of that bacon on the bottom of the chicken. That way, when you put it on this wire rack and it's cooking, when the bacon shrinks up, it won't come undone. It'll be secured underneath on the wire rack. There you go. Do that. Take those loose ends, poke them up in there. Maybe that'll keep some of that melted mixture from coming out. That's it. We're going to hit the bacon with a little more rub because we want that good color. That's it. This is what she looks like. We're going to put it on the grill. We're going to be cooking on the drum today. We're going to be running at 325 degrees with some Fogo charcoal and some cherry wood for smoke. Basically, here's how easy it is. Put it on the grill, put the lid on, go back in the house. We're going to let this run for about an hour until the internal of that chicken is 175 degrees. And this is what you got. Now we got a little seepage. What you want to do, just take your spoon, push it back up in there, set it at the back and let it cool. Because we got to warm this sauce up. Get you some Killer Hogs, the barbecue sauce. She said, I'm just going to use half of it. I said, no, you're going to use all of it because maybe Mr. Malcolm Reed will watch this video and be like, they need some more sauce. Maybe we'll sponsor them. And get her good and hot. You know, right below the boiling point of water. That way it'll be good and thin. Here's how easy it is to sauce these chicken. Just drop it in, shake her about, pull her out, and there you go. See, when we warm that up, we made it thin. So it runs off, there's no streaks, and it's really not that thick. Hit it with that thumb grinder action, full of MOJO, and put it back out on the smoker for about 10 minutes just to set that sauce. And once that sauce is set, this here is what you got. Some World Championship chicken. That's it. Oh yeah, I did talk her into doing a reveal shot because you know we've got to have that every video. And there it is. Voila. Beautiful chicken. Now she don't want to eat on camera, but I will. So I'm going to grab this piece, eat that, and I'm going to come back around. I ate like 4 pieces before we got done with the video. And yes, it is very good. Very, very good. So she says, hey, how about a fist bump? I said, oh, can't leave you hanging. There you go. So that's it, guys. That's what wins. And I'm going to let her flex a little bit. That'll win you this trophy and a bunch of money. And that's it. Miss Mojo is out. Hey, wait on me. Mojo's out.